Let's see how to make a smooth move effect in Capcut. So I'm just creating a new project and I'm selecting a random video from my gallery, for example this video. And now I'm going to add here a object. You can actually move anything. You can move photo, video, text, or any other stuff. So in my case, I'm selecting here the text tool and let's add a text here. And text type, I'm typing here hello, for example, then going to fonts, selecting a font from here, going to style and changing the font size and changing the color, tapping on done. Now we will move this text. So first of all, I'm increasing the text or object length. Okay, now using this slider, we have to select the location from where we want to begin our movement. So for example, I want to move the text from this location. Here, after selecting the part, tapping on this add keyframe icon, and here we can see a red indicator add date. It's mean the first keyframe add date. Now, just move or play your video and go to the location where you want to move your object. So at this location, I'm moving my text to top right corner, just like this. And here we can see a second keyframe automatically add date. Now go ahead and move your timeline and move your object and your keyframe will automatically add. Okay, now to make our movement smooth, we need to add some effects. To do it, you need to select the first keyframe. So just select the first keyframe. Once this date dot is red color, it's mean you have selected the first keyframe. Now you have to tap on this curve icon here. And now you can actually select your ease in effect or you can choose ease out. Then tap on done. And now here we can see a smooth move effect successfully created. So this is how we can actually do it. Thanks for watching.